Hi, excuse me. Hi, everyone. It is Carol from Lily Rose Blue. I don't know that this video is picking up just how much rain we're getting here right now. Sorry, there's my garbage can. But it is really raining, and it's actually lightened up some, believe it or not. I mean, it was whatever the next word is beyond pouring. That's what it was doing when I first stepped out. And of course, the minute that I started to film, then it kind of slowed down a bit. But yeah, I just thought I'd share. Now, the sound, I'm just going to be quiet and let you listen. Oh, it's lightening up. It's lightening up. But it's just such a beautiful sound, isn't it? I just don't like getting wet. Anyway, that's it. I just thought I'd hop on. Bye-bye.